Here's a great deal on a 2010 Ford Expedition EL. A 5.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including leather upholstery, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and seat memory. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.